Ayan ang Rin-Rin namin. Here's Rin-Rin. Very comfortable here. Hello. You need exercise. You are being lazy. Let's go. Go for exercise. Go outside. I need to take you outside. Huh? Let's go. It's no good you always here. Let's go. I take you outside. Ayan na si Rin-Rin. He's outside. Come on. Go there. Rin. Are you going there? Look at our garden. Backyard. Look, beautiful. Ayan siya. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin niya. Pag nandito sa labas. Yan siya. Nag-stretch. Stretching. That's it. He's just sitting there. Rin, you okay there? Huh? You want some dinding? Dinner? Not dinner, breakfast. Rin! He's still ignoring me. He ignored me. Ayan, dyan muna siya sa labas. Oh. Ayan siya. Dito muna siya sa labas kasi aalis ako. I'm going somewhere. Ayan, dyan muna siya.